Ever clicked a button on a website and it suddenly feels like your browser just took a coffee break? Today I will show you why that happens and how to fix it using web workers, the unsung heroes of our modern web apps. Alright, I have a demo page over here. It has two buttons, run heavy task and print console. I'll first try printing console. Yeah, it works. It is printing in the console. Now I'm clicking on run heavy task, then I will try to print console. I'm clicking on print console, but I can't see any console statement in the DevTools because this heavy task has blocked our main thread. Our console statement would be printed once the main thread is released by this heavy task. So here is what's actually happening. Your browser's main thread, that's like your personal assistant. They handle everything, clicks, UI updates, rendering, all of it. But poor assistant can do only one thing at a time. So if you tell them, hey, count to 10 billion, they are like, sure thing, and they will ignore everything else while doing it. That's exactly happening over here. Our heavy JavaScript for loop is blocking the main thread. Here's the culprit, this for loop. The moment it starts, it hogs the entire main thread. So how do we fix it? Simple, we'll hire another assistant. That's what web workers are. Extra background worker will do the heavy lifting and your main thread remains chill. Now let's fix it like a pro. We'll create a worker.js and move this heavy logic over there. This is our worker.js and our heavy logic code. In our worker file, we'll wrap our main logic in self.onMessage function. And this execution will not run on the main thread. In our main file, we will import worker.js and on click of the run heavy task button, we will execute this worker.post message. This self.onMessage is an event listener, and once we send the message from our index.html file, this block will get executed. And this execution will not run on the main thread. We can quickly verify our UI by running this heavy task and see now our print is also working. This heavy task is also completed. This is how we fix the UI blocking issues by offloading that particular task to the web workers, and web worker does not run that task on the main thread. Instead, it runs it on the different thread. That is the reason why our UI is functional like this. If you run into issues like this, try to find the root cause and dump it to the web workers. So the web workers will run it on the separate thread and release the main thread. So your issue will be resolved. And that's a wrap, guys. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you really like this content. I'll see you next time.